Oh
Hello guys,
shit.
let's
Here we
unbox
go
the
again.
new BoAt micro USB 500 which is of 179 as of now on Flipkart. So let's just unbox it. It is the best USB available after the original piece. You can get it only for 179 on the Flipkart. It is fast charge supported. You can charge it by 2.4 ampere. It is of 1.5 meter, and the main perspective here is you get 2-year warranty on this, which means you can replace it thousands of times. If it gets damaged or broken or it is not working, you can replace it at any cost. They replace it for free. Let's just unbox it. Here we have durable connector, double protection layer. It is nylon braided cable, you know. Nylon braided means it is very hard to break. You can sync your data, and you can rapid charge your micro USB phones. Let's just take it out. Here it is, our BoAt micro USB data cable. I have personally replaced this thousands of times, not thousand times, but as soon as it stops working I replace it. You can see the length here, from here to this. It is very long. As you can see, you can charge it from another room to another room, and the connector is very good build quality. And on the other side you get type A, which is also very build quality is very good. And you will get nothing instead of this warranty card, which is of 2 years. You can replace it anytime, anywhere in the world. So we have connected our micro USB and the charge is 27%, and we are gonna charge it for next 5 minutes. And let's connect the micro USB right into the phone, and we will start the timer. Here it is connected, and let's timer starts now. Let's see how much is charged. So the time is about to end, and the cable has charged the phone from 27 to 33. Alright guys, so I have connected my phone through the micro USB to the computer, and let's see this file. This is of 1.38 GB, and let's transfer it direct to the smartphone. So let's send it to our phone and start the timer right here. As you can see, the timer is started and the file is copying. Let's see how much time it takes to copy a 1.38 GB file into a smartphone. It's already 20 seconds and it has completed almost 1/4 of the file.
It's time to stop. It's time to stop, okay? No more. Where the fuck?
Overall, if you are thinking to buy a new USB after your original USB, you can buy it and this is very stable. I have personally used it for 3 to 4 months. It's very good. I suggest you to buy this online.
Why are you running? Why are you running?